Hello and welcome to a new video. In one of the last videos that I made about Rest Assured, I showed you a little template, how you create your own project, how to set up everything. Well, today I want to talk about setting up IntelliJ because we're using IntelliJ as an IDE. So let's begin. One of the things that I usually do, you go to settings, you go to code style, then you select Java because Java you use for Rest Assured. Here, as you can already see, this is for formatting. If you want your code to look really nice, then you can select how do you want your tab size, your indenting on each row to appear. As you can see, it will indent with the mentioned number you put there, continuation indent. For example, if you put here 4, you will see everything is aligned and wrapped up as you would like. So this is more like a settings video, this just so you know where to search for this. If you're writing code in a different language, then of course you need to change for that specific code style. Also spacing, there are a lot of options here. It depends on what you want to use and what are useful to you, but generally I only change my tab size, indenting, continuation indent, and also blank lines if is the case, and so on. One other thing that I like to use in for example is here in file and code templates. For example, as you see here, this template, this is default from IntelliJ. So if you create a new class file, then you will get the public class name, and if there is a package, if your class file is in a package, then you will get the package name on top. Well, I like to do something different. For example, let's say I like to insert here a comment created by a QA guy. So this will appear. Let's format it this way, and I will demonstrate just a second. Then we will go here, new Java class file, and we'll call it test class. As you can already see here, created by QA guy. This can be changed to whatever you want it. For example, you can put here copyright, or I don't know, copyrighted by blah 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 blah, or created by on date X, and you can set up everything so it will take the current date. You just go here, you go to settings, file and code templates. So let's do this. Okay, let's change this to have the, let's say, a general description, because you need a description for every class, date you created, and a name. So let's do this. For example, let's start with we'll create a larger comment. Okay, and here let's say description, because you need a description for every class so everybody knows what is this class used for. For example, let's use author, if I could spell it. Okay, author, and you could say here QA guy, for example. And then let's say if you want to use date or created, or I think date is created, let's say, let's go with created. And here you can use for example this symbol, and month. Oh my god, my spelling is bad today. Let's put it like this, and day, if I could spell it. And let's go with yeah, of course I forgot the symbol. Okay, and year. So okay, so this should now create, every time you create a new class file, you will get description, author, and created. Let's hit apply. Let's set OK. Let's create a new Java class file, template. As you can already see, it's asking for the day, month, and year. Yes, and this is because you can edit like this if you want, but we don't want to do that. So we want to set the current date, but for my mistake I did something wrong. Let me get back to it. Yes, it's not capitalized. Month, day, year. That should do it. Okay, let's see right now. Now we create a new Java class, test2, and you can already see, because first time I didn't write the day, month, and year in capitalized, it would look for the variables which were not defined, so you had to insert them manually. But now, as you can already see, you have the description, you have the author, you have the created, and the day. This is so much easier instead of doing this on each class file you create in your project. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to, and drop a comment down below if you find this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.